My neighbor helped me with a lot of this work with his mini excavator. He's got that's an incredible piece of equipment. The way that bucket tilts, and he's got a blade in the front. It's actually a 6-way blade. It's not just a traditional blade on a mini excavator. It's a 6-way blade. It's got the bucket that tilts and swivels and does all kinds of crazy stuff. And he's really good at operating it. And he dug all the trenches, dug all the holes. He got here and dug this hole when I wasn't here. I was gone off doing something, getting some supplies or something. There's gravel compacted and flat underneath that septic tank. So nothing's gonna puncture the bottom of it. It's sitting nice and level. It's good to go. We've got the little riser domes. In our county, we have to have the caps for our septic tank above ground so that, stupid bugs, so that if you need to get to it to inspect it or anything like that, you don't have to dig a hole down to get to it. So those caps have to be above grade. We are missing a piece of white PVC. We'll get that and connect these up. Our inspection is due to come out, what was it, 4 days from now? So we have plenty of time to hook that last piece of PVC up. Comes out to our distribution box that we put another little riser around, and then out to the drain fields. So it's basically ready for inspection with the exception of this piece of PVC here. We'll get that put in probably tomorrow. And 3 days later we'll get it inspected. Hopefully it passes. It should pass. Shouldn't be a problem. And we'll have one more thing done for the house. Until next time, guys, don't make something.